I'm going to show you one of the most useful nodes in Cisco Modeling Labs that's not a network node, and that's going to be the Ubuntu node. And why do I think it's so useful? Well, just like any other Linux node, we can install packages, modules, Python, Ansible, whatever we want, or we can even go as far as installing something like Cisco NSO. So you're probably looking at this and going, well, how do I know that you're actually running this in Cisco Modeling Labs? So we can go back and we can look. I've got this Bowser's Keep node. That's where it's actually running. We can see the IP matches what I have in Cisco Modeling Labs. Right click, open up the console, and I can open up NCS CLI-C, and we can see Cisco NSO is running here. And just to prove that the devices that are in here are really the ones that I'm using for Cisco Modeling Labs, we can see that it matches some of the nodes that I already have in here. So now I'm going to show you how you can build your own Ubuntu host for your lab. And to get started, we're going to click on the Ubuntu node, and I'm going to change the name. So I'm going to call it Ubuntu-jumphost. Save it, and I'm going to come over to configuration, and I've got this default config in here, but I don't want to use that. So I'm going to click here and paste my new config. So I've got my host name set for Ubuntu-jumphost. I've set a username and password. I'm setting up a new network YAML file that has the address I want to use on my network, as well as setting up a IP address for this internal network here. But at the bottom, we're generating the net plan and applying it, and then performing an apt update and a full upgrade. So this is going to get the system updated and get all the latest packages on there for what's already installed. And then we're going to do apt install and get Python and Python pip installed on the box. So we're going to save this, and we're going to come over here and we're going to add a link. So the first link is going to be ENS2, and I'm going to connect it to my out-of-band management. And then the other one is going to be ENS3, which I'm going to connect to my internal network. So that's done. I can go ahead and start the node, and we can bring up the console and watch it boot up. So we can see the Ubuntu host has completely installed all the packages that we asked it to do. And I can go ahead and click enter. Ubuntu-jumphost is set as a name. I can log in with the username and password I set in my cloud init, and we can see that we're logged in. So at this point, I can start doing anything I want. I could start doing some more packages, and since I did Python, I've got pip now. I can do pip install ansible, and I'm going to do PyATS full. So we can see that our packages have installed, our modules are installed, but we've got this warning that says packages and scripts are installed in a location that's not on a path. You don't have to worry about this warning. If you log off and log back in, it'll put the packages in the path, and if we look, like, I can't come down to the console and type Ansible, it's just not there. But another way to fix this is to do source.profile, and then if you look for the commands again, you'll see that they're there. So you saw initially I tried to type Ansible, tab it out, it didn't work, but by sourcing the profile, it sourced that .local directory that's saying is not there, and now I'm able to access my applications. So again, like, this is a really great way to get a host set up, get some tools in there, and then start using it for different things. You could do a web server, you could make this an SSH repository. This could be anything you want for your systems within Cisco Modeling Labs. So I hope this video was helpful in demonstrating how you can build a Ubuntu host within Cisco Modeling Labs. And really, at this point, you can start using this for a variety of different things. Because this external connector is set up as a bridge, we can actually SSH externally into this node and start working on it without being in Modeling Labs and using the console. We can also start using it with VS Code and the remote SSH package that's part of it, and a variety of different things. So I'm definitely going to make some more videos to show you other ways to take advantage of the Ubuntu host, other containers within Cisco Modeling Labs, and really start building out different topologies. So keep an eye out for those videos, and I hope to share more with you soon.